Today we're hosting a workshop here at Tate Modern together with our partner Hyundai. We've talked to the children and their educators about marine litter and ghost nets. They're fascinated about underwater life. They're fascinated by divers and their diving missions and how they help clean up the ocean. They knew a lot about the impacts of litter in the ocean and they're very eager to help, asking very interesting questions about the circular economy, and they were curious to touch and feel different products made of EcoNil and fishing nets.
A day like today, learning about how waste has impacted our oceans is vital for the children. They're the next generation on this planet, and I know a lot of them have been very moved and saddened to see these animals that they love dying at the hands of human irresponsibility.
I was surprised because I didn't really know much about it, and I actually really like animals, so I'm kind of happy that I'm actually doing something to help about it.
It's much better to use stuff that has already been used, because you can reuse it and save the planet.
It's really important because we should recycle it and make it into even better things.
Education is one of the main pillars of Healthy Seas work. We believe that change comes from the youth. We give them all the knowledge and the power they need in order to make a change.
It's down to voluntary organisations, often like Healthy Seas, so vital that we promote them, that the children become aware, and we support these organisations going forward so we can clean our seas up and save our planet, hopefully.